Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Juan if you don't know me, and in this video I wanted to make a tutorial or a tour of the TubeBuddy plugin for YouTube. And if you don't know TubeBuddy, TubeBuddy is basically a browser extension that you install on your browser, and it lets you have some advanced functionalities on YouTube. So if you're a YouTube creator, this can really help you enhance your productivity and get to places faster and optimize your channel for better ranking and more success. And by the way, TubeBuddy has been certified by YouTube, so you can trust them. They are very well known, so don't worry about that. And let me show you some of the features that TubeBuddy has and how it can help your channel, okay? So I'll go here, and first of all, you will see this button over here, okay? So this is a button that after you install the plugin, you will have this button, you will have different buttons in your channel. And let's start with this button. So this button allows you several different stuff, okay? So when I click on it, first of all, on the top, you will see some quick links, okay? So some places that usually users use on YouTube, and they make it really accessible and easy to get to there. Okay, so if you didn't have that, you will have to click on a lot of more clicks to get there. Okay, a lot more places to get there. So this is really easy, and you can see the dashboard, my videos, playlist, live streaming, comments, subscribers, analytics, really places you visit often as a YouTube creator. Next, you've got some extensions in here, the Keyword Explorer, which is basically like a keyword research tool. I don't recommend you rely too heavily on that, but it's nice. It's a nice feature. You got the SEO Studio, which they added recently. Okay, so let me show you what's that. So basically, when you upload the video, you can enter your keyword that you want to focus on. So let's say in this video, I wanted to focus on productivity and focus. Let's just save productivity right now. Click start, and you can see it start to analyze my video. Okay, it will start to analyze where this word is, and it will give you some tips. Okay, so you can see it highlights the word. It gives me an SEO score, which is 100%. So kudos to me. And you can see it gives you some tips. So include your target keyword in the title, include your target keyword naturally in the title, include it in the first 200 characters of your description. So this is really helpful to make sure that you have optimized your video for keyword and to be visible, because you want to create videos that are easily found on YouTube, okay? Next, it checks your tags as well, okay, to make sure that the keyword is there. The thumbnail as well, okay, how it looks in the thumbnail. Okay, so next you've got the video topic planner, okay, and this is like a sketchboard where you can plan new topics for your channel, okay? So this is a nice little feature. You can add the title of what you want to create. So let's say you want to create a video about productivity. You can add it in here, add a description, to some notes, okay? So tip number 1, tip number 2, save it. And then you've got it in here, and you can go back to it and remember what topics do you want to talk about in your channel. This is nice. I usually use outside software, but you can use that. That's really easy and accessible. Next, you've got the tag list. So if you want to create lists of tags for your videos, you can do it in here. So let's give it a name, productivity, for example, productivity, add that, and then we can start looking for tags, okay? And then we can just copy that and add it to my video, to your video when you upload it, okay? So a nice little feature. Best time to publish, basically they give you some strategies on how to find out the best time to publish your videos, okay? Next, you've got some website tools. Okay, so the Launchpad, which is really nice. It goes to their website. Okay, and you can select a video and basically make sure that all the checklist tasks are completed, the best practices are completed, opportunities. Okay, so it depends on your TubeBuddy license. Okay, so they got several licenses you can use. Okay, they've got a free one and they got Pro, Star, and Legend. Most users use the Pro. If you're just starting out, you can use the free one just to check out different options, but the Pro gives you more productivity and optimization tools. The Star gives you some bulk processing tools, so this is for more advanced YouTube users when you've got a lot of videos and you want to make a lot of changes at once. And the Legend is really for the most advanced, and you get some additional features at the Legend, but you can start with the Pro and really enjoy most of TubeBuddy's features. Okay, and in here you've got different stuff that you can do. Okay, different options. The health report, it can check on your video as well, on your channel, sorry. So it gives you an indication of all the keywords searches, how many views you've got, how many subscribers in the last 30 days, how many comments, likes, dislikes, sharing, where did it get shared. All right, so different features you can use in here. Valuation, if you're planning to be like an influencer and you want to see how much you should charge for uploading a video, a featured video, or giving a shout out. Researching your competitors, so this is in the more advanced licenses. Brand alerts gives you brand alerts when someone uploads something to YouTube that is related to your channel. Okay, A/B testing, which is really cool. You can test different thumbnails, different titles to see which one is performing better. Retention analyzer, basically, this is for the most advanced license, and it helps you analyze which intros are performing better, which videos are causing you to retain your audiences, and then you can see what you can improve in your channel. You can back up and export your channel. Canned responses. So canned responses are basically pre-made responses that you've made. So if you're answering the same responses to your comments again and again, instead of writing it down every time, you can just give it a name. So let's say thank you, and just give a canned response. Okay, so thank you very much. Please consider subscribing. You know, something like that. Optimize it to look really nice. And then let's say that I want to go to my comments, so I can click on comment in here. And if I want to reply to someone, I can click in here and have a canned response. Okay, so it will automatically bring up that canned response, and it will save me time. I don't need to type that every time, and it's really easy to use. What else? Let's see. Promo material. Let's look at that. So this gives you all the different links that you might need. Okay, so your most recent upload, most popular one, the channel page link, channel page with subscription pop-up, so every time someone clicks on that link, they will receive like a notification if they want to subscribe to their channel. Your most recent video, okay, direct link to video, link to video within a playlist. Okay, so this is really cool. If they click on that, they will be directed to your video inside the playlist, and that means that in the up next, they will see most likely the next videos in your playlist. Okay, so this will keep them on your channel and will bring you more views. And this is some thumbnail, channel banner, okay, an embed code, okay, and you can customize that. An RSS feed, Okay. All right, so let me see what else. Okay, so we're done with this one. You've got some different popular tools. The thumbnail generator, which helps you create a thumbnail, though I recommend you use software like Canva or Photoshop to really up your game with your thumbnails. They are really important, so don't cheap out on that. The health report, the A/B testing, bulk processing, comment moderation. You've got different filters I will show you next. Best practices checks. All right, so let's go to my videos for a moment. And let's click on that one. And when you upload a video, first of all, you've got this navigation bar. So if you want to edit a lot of videos, instead of clicking out and then clicking on the second video, you can just click on that and it will bring you to the next video. So very, very easily. Okay. So every time you upload a video, this is the upload checklist. Over here, I've completed most of the stuff. You can also customize the checklist, okay? So if you've learned some important things that you want to include in the checklist, in the best practices, you can include it as well, so you don't forget anything. In the tags, it will help you use the most relevant and most popular tags for your channel, for your video, sorry. And it goes according to your title. So your title has the main keyword in there and it will give you all the tags. You just click on that and edit. You can also sort your tags. Okay, so the first tag is the most important and it gives YouTube a better understanding of what your video is about. So you can sort that out. As you can see, you can move that around and it will change after you click apply. You can also start typing something and it will automatically auto-populate it, okay? So this is really cool. You can translate your tags if you want to translate to another language. You can import from tag lists, as I showed you before. Copy tags, get suggested tags, okay? You can use the keyword explorer. Again, I don't rely on it very heavily. What else? Okay, you've got this little button over here and it gives you a lot of different options. Okay, so you can copy the cards of this video. You can apply a template. So if you're using the same cards or the same end screens, you can create a template and just have that template on your new uploads, and it will save you a lot of time and hassle. You can publish your videos directly to Facebook natively. Okay, so this is really cool. Instead of going to Facebook and then re-uploading your video, it will just publish your video natively to Facebook, which is really cool. You've got access to the SEO Studio, the caption service, though I recommend you use Rev instead of what they're offering. Search positions, so you can track your keywords. This is in more advanced licenses, which is really cool. Suggested tags, tag translator, A/B testing, share tracker. So if you click on share tracker, it tracks where you shared your video, and it's only if you click in here. Okay, so if you click, if you just shared it outside of here, it won't track it. But if you click on Pinterest, for example, and you want to share it, it will track it, and you will see when I get back to YouTube, it will mark it with a check mark. Okay, so this is nice. Let's see what else. Scheduled publish, sunset a video if you wanna sunset a video in the future, schedule the video update, the thumbnail generator, advanced embed. So this is a cool feature. YouTube gives you a very basic embed. Okay, so if you want to embed your video on your website or blog, you can have different options in here. So if you want your video to autoplay, you can click in here and it changes the code. If you want to disable full screen, You can add different customization options to your embed. You can change the resolution, and it will automatically recode it, and you just copy it into your website, and it has the features that you want it to have. Okay, so this is a really cool feature. You can pick a winner. Okay, so if you're doing a contest on your channel, you can click on pick a winner, and you can choose for all comments, or comments must contain the word. So if you want people to comment with a hashtag, for example, to enter the competition, you can choose for certain words that they inserted in their comments, and then you can pick a winner. Okay, so if you're doing a giveaway or something, so this is really cool. And you can export your comments if you want to. I don't know why, but you've got the option. Let's go back to my videos. You've got different bulk options in here. On the top, okay, so you can create different bulk options, changes, okay, so bulk end screen actions if you want to. What else? You've got next to the videos, you've got the same thing in here. You can move to the launchpad in here, the quick links, okay, some quick links if you want to get there, okay, some places you might visit often, some info, okay, the video ID, the video direct, the video playlist link, okay, so it really saves you a lot of time and hassle, and I think this tool is really cool. Some features in it sorry, some features I like more than others, but for the price that you're paying for it, it's really worth the price. Okay, it costs like I don't remember, like $9 a month for the pro version. Let me check it out. Here we go. Yeah, so $9 for the pro, $19 per month for the star. You can start with the pro and get most of the options, and I will link to this page or to TubeBuddy, and you can click on pricing in there and check it out for yourself. So the link will be in the description. I highly recommend you use TubeBuddy. It really helps me save time and optimize my videos, and whatever help we can get to rank our videos in this very competitive space is most welcome, in my opinion. And yeah, let me know what you think of the video. Did it help you? If it did, then give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe to the channel and make sure you click on that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos that I release. If you've got any questions or comments, then you're most welcome to leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.